Good morning, health warriors. Today, we're revolutionizing your morning routine with 5 healthy breakfasts on the go. Because let's face it, we all have those mornings where time just isn't on our side. But that doesn't mean you have to compromise on nutrition or taste. Ready to kickstart your day the right way? Let's dive in. First up, overnight oats. Prepare this the night before for a hassle-free morning. Mix rolled oats with almond milk, a dash of maple syrup, chia seeds, and your favorite berries. Leave it in the fridge overnight, and voila, a creamy, delicious breakfast waiting for you in the morning. Next, we have smoothie packs. Grab a few Ziploc bags and fill them with banana slices, mixed berries, spinach, and a scoop of protein powder. Freeze them, and when you're ready, blend 1 pack with a cup of almond milk for a quick, nutrient-packed smoothie. Can't go wrong with avocado toast. Use a whole grain bread slice for more fiber and top it with smashed avocado. For an extra protein punch, add a boiled egg or sprinkle with hemp seeds. It's quick, filling, and oh so good. For the ultra-busy bee, homemade protein bars are a lifesaver. Combine oats, protein powder, nut butter, and honey. Press the mixture into a pan, chill, and then cut into bars. These are perfect for grabbing as you head out the door. Lastly, yogurt parfaits. Layer Greek yogurt with granola, fresh fruit, and a drizzle of honey in a portable container. It's a balanced breakfast that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. And there you have it. 5 easy, nutritious, and delicious breakfasts that fit perfectly into your busy mornings. Which one will you try first? Remember, a healthy day starts with a healthy breakfast, even on the go. If you love these ideas, hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Drop a comment below with your go-to breakfast when you're strapped for time. See you in the next video.